Welcome to another edition of Learning About Microsoft PowerPoint. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add animation to text and pictures you put on your slides. Adding animation to your PowerPoint is a fun way to make your presentation more interesting. It allows you to add your own personal touch to your slideshow. To start, I want you to choose the slide you want to animate. I'm going to choose the slide that talks about my favorite animal. With that slide showing, click on the box that you want to show up first on your slide. I'm going to choose the favorite animal. This is the title slide. That's what I think should pop up first on my slide. After you click on that box, I want you to go up to the top and choose the Animations button. This shows you all the options for animating your words and your pictures. After that, go over here to the Animate button, and next to it there's a drop-down box. Here you have some options about how to make your objects move. If you click on the choices or run your mouse over them, it'll give you a little sample of what it's going to look like. You can also choose the Custom Animation button. It's going to give you a lot of other options. Let's click on that. Now when you click that, a Custom Animation side menu shows up over on this side of your computer. Once this pops up, choose the Add Effect button. And since we're choosing an animation for how we want our pictures and words to show up on the screen, we're going to choose Entrance. Here you're going to see a bunch of other popular animations, and if you run your mouse on them, it's not going to move your object, but if you choose one, it'll test it for you. Now let's try that again, but now if you go all the way down here to the bottom, there's a button that says More Effects, and here you're going to see a lot of different choices. Again, as you start to click through these, it's going to test them for you and show you what they're going to look like, and that's going to let you decide which one you like the best. Once you've picked your favorite one, click on the OK button, and that's going to set it up so that this is animated with the one you've chosen. Now you can go through and you can try this out on all the other pictures or words that you have on this slide. Click the Add Effect button, run your mouse on top of the word Entrance, and choose what you'd like as your animation. I'm going to go ahead and go through quickly and choose some for the rest of my slide. Once you have all of your animations selected, you're going to see them listed over here on the side. This is the order that they're going to show up on your slide when this slide shows up on the screen. This also will let you change the order if you want to mix things up, if you want to put them in a different order. Maybe you've decided, well, maybe I should have something else show up first. You can click on whatever object you've got in the order, and you can drag it up to a different spot. You can see this black line showing up here, and that's going to show you where you're moving it to. To do this, you want to click on and hold down the left mouse button, and then move your mouse up or down depending on where you want that picture or word or those words to show up. Now once you think you've got it the way you like it, you can test your whole slide by coming down here at the bottom and choosing Play. Now, as you can see, my title came up 3 different times. Well, that's because I put a bunch of different animations on there. I don't really want all of those animations on that title slide, so you can get rid of them. All you have to do is click on the animations you want to get rid of, and then come right up here and choose the button that says remove. It's got a little red X here, so when I click that, the animations will go away. So now when I play it, I have one animation for each part. And that's what it's going to look like in my slideshow. After you've done that, you can go on to other slides and animate them. Today I'm going to have you, while we're in the lab, explore the different animations for the pictures and the words in your PowerPoint.